Hey, let's go. While growing up and visiting my grandparents in Toppenish, Mexican flavors and dishes was just the norm. So there's something special about finding authentic Mexican food. And with a name like Whateke, this food truck is the real deal. Whateke Mexican food. So tell me, what's the name?
Whateke is a urban word in Mexico City. It means like a fiesta.
And the fiesta of flavors is exactly what you'll find here, made with incredible ingredients from my hometown.
Many of our friends work in Yakima, picking the strawberries and all those stuff there. So, of course, we always want to use all, local products. And it's fresh, it's delicious, why not, right?
Right. They're taking those fresh Yakima veggies and turning them into a burrito that will have veggie lovers craving for more. Sarah, this looks beautiful. Okay,
That's beautiful,
so this is your vegetarian burrito. What am I looking at here? What is this thing loaded with?
Okay, you see the zucchini, the cabbage, the carrots, the potatoes for sure.
All right.
We have a black beans, we have a sour cream, guacamole, pico de gallo. We have a lot of stuff there, yeah. You ready?
It's pretty light. It looks big, right?
It looks very big, yeah.
But because we're dealing with those fresh zucchinis and the cabbage, it just feels light.
We have a lot of regular customers they just request their breakfast veggie burrito. That's it. They just come to get this.
And they don't bust the calorie bank either.
I know, yeah. It's healthy, it's not expensive, and it's right on time.
As long as you keep using vegetables from Yakima, you're all right. Now let's see what folks here in Seattle have to say about this veggie breakfast burrito.
Oh, good.
It's very flavorful.
Feels like a veggie Mexican burrito.
Definitely the tomatillo sauce tastes amazing.
Lightweight, right? Healthy.
I like the potato in there. I didn't think I would.
Not bad for a veggie burrito, huh?
Not bad. Not bad at all.
It's very fresh.
I like the crispness of the lettuce and the carrots as well.
I'd get one.
There you go.
Yeah.
So as a vegetarian goes, this is a winner.
This is a winner for sure. Yeah.